Hello again from OGS Mechanics Workshop. Today we've got a Mercedes S-Class 223 chassis. This is 23 model, but this particular one is built from 2020 up to present day. What we want to highlight, the procedure of unlocking this vehicle if, for instance, the key battery has gone down or there's a problem with the electrics on the car. So first of all, being a keyless key, it still has an emergency blade which can be accessed like this. This button has to be pressed. The key comes out of the remote. We'll put the remote on the side. The barrel is located under the passenger's door. Oh, we managed to unlock the vehicle. We're going to lock it again. We need to keep the key a bit far away from the vehicle, so the keyless entry function does not get access. So now the vehicle is obviously locked, and we know that because the handle is in order to open it with emergency plate, what we have to do, we have to press on the front edge of the handle. Then from the rear one, we grab the handle, we pull it in, pull it out, insert the blade into the door barrel, and we turn it about 90 degrees. We should hear at this point the barrel has unlocked. And what we have to do, we just pull the handle in and put it one more time. And that's how the emergency unlock works on this Mercedes S-Class 223 chassis, again, model built 2020 up to the present day. I hope this helps. If you have any queries or you need any advice, please drop them in a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to assist. All the best.